Welcome. If you'll come forward to be sworn wherever you're comfortable, if you'll face me and raise your right hand, please. Thank you. Do you swear or affirm any testimony you give in this proceeding will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Deputy. If you'll follow the bailiff to the ramp that leads up to the witness chair, please watch your step. When you get to that chair at the end of the ramp, go ahead, have a seat, make yourself comfortable. That microphone in front of you is fully adjustable. Thank you. You may proceed, Ms. O'Connor.
Good afternoon, Deputy. Can you please state your name and spell your last name for the record?
Deputy Jason McIrvin, McIrvin.
And Deputy, how long have you been employed with the Sheriff's Office?
Almost 6 years.
Do you have prior law enforcement experience?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Where was that at?
City of Aurora Police, Aurora, Colorado.
And how long were you with Aurora Police?
10 years.
As a patrol deputy, do you respond to calls that you get dispatched to?
Yes, ma'am.
And fair to say that would be a wide variety of calls.
Yes, ma'am.
You would be, in essence, the first person on scene.
Sometimes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Back on March 12th of 2017, were you in the same position as a patrol deputy?
I was a patrol deputy then. I'm currently a civil deputy now.
Okay, what's the difference?
I serve court documents right now.
A lot less interesting, sounds like.
On some days, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So as a patrol deputy in 2017, you would get dispatched to areas or calls from either 911 calls or just dispatch sending you there. Is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
right? Okay. And on that date, were you in a marked patrol vehicle
Yes, ma'am, I was.
and in a uniform such as today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Were you a one-man unit that day, or did you have somebody else with you?
I had somebody else with me. I was in field training at that time.
Okay, and who was your field training officer?
Deputy Quintana.
All right. Now, you and Deputy Quintana, did you both respond to a residence located at 1412 Dew Bloom Road in Valrico?
Yes, ma'am, we did.
And what did you and Deputy Quintana do once there?
I assumed a perimeter position in the front of the house.
Did you or Deputy Quintana ever make entry into the home?
No, ma'am.
Did other units eventually make entry into the home?
Eventually, yes, ma'am.
You maintained your position outside.
That's correct.
Okay. After the home was cleared, did you maintain your position, or were you relieved from that position?
I was relieved once they had made entrance and cleared the residence.
What did you do, if anything, after that?
After that, I went to another call for service, which I was canceled off of.
Was that a completely separate call?
Unrelated.
Unrelated.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then after that, did you have other involvement in this call?
I did, ma'am.
What was that?
We responded to a church that was a known associate of the Summers.
Did you conduct any interviews there?
I personally did not. Deputy Quintana did.
Okay. So after those interviews were conducted, what did you and Deputy Quintana do?
We proceeded to the address on, I'm sorry, I can't remember the street name. Is it okay if I refer to my notes?
Yes. If you, is it reflected in a report that you created?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you could review that and look up when you're done.
We responded to the residence on Newberry Grove Loop.
Okay. Was that 11737?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do once you responded to that residence?
I ended up conducting a neighborhood survey.
The residents of the 11737 Newberry Grove Loop, were you aware of who lived at that residence?
The 11737?
Yes. When you responded, were you aware of who lived there?
I knew that this involved the case that we were in, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you said you conducted a neighborhood survey?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the point of that?
Just to obtain any information, if anybody had seen anything, any evidence
Any evidence, meaning
of a crime having occurred.
were you looking for neighbors who would potentially have video surveillance?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you able to speak with any homeowners nearby the 11737 house that had video surveillance?
Yes, ma'am. I spoke to 3 different residents.
Okay. Was one of them a Jeffrey Conklin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Were you able to obtain a video from him?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Did he pull the video up from the system that he had and you viewed it at his home?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he ultimately later send it to you?
Yeah, via email.
And what did you do with it after that?
I transferred from email to a compact disc.
Okay. May I approach the witness?
Yes, you may.
Showing you what's pre-marked as State's Exhibit G. Do you recognize this?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had an opportunity to review it before today?
I have, ma'am.
And did you initial and date when you reviewed it?
I did.
And does this fairly and accurately represent the video that Mr. Conklin, Conklin for the record, showed you on March 12th of 2017?
Yes, ma'am.
And the same video that you ultimately impounded into evidence?
Yes, ma'am.
Deputy, did you have any other involvement after conducting that neighborhood survey in this case?
No, I stood by just as a support role for the immediate time afterwards.
The state will pass the witness.
Cross-examination.
No questions.
May this witness be released by the state?
I'm sorry, one moment, Judge.
Yes.
You may be released.
And by the defense?
Yes.
You may step down. You may be released as a witness at this time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll ask the state to call your next witness, and then we may do our afternoon break after that witness.
Judge, can we approach?
Absolutely. All right, I'll ask the state to please call your next witness.
The state calls Lisa Summers.
Lisa Summers.